channel. So today we're going to be talking about how to edit videos. So this is a CapCut series, and it was quite challenging for me to actually learn how to edit on my phone. So I'm going to be sharing the secret I got online. Yeah, I actually got it online. So this is the CapCut series. I'm actually going to write them down. I'm going to put them down on the screen so you guys can actually write down and use for yourself. So yeah, so this is the CapCut series. I know there are lots of editing apps. There's CapCut, there's InShot, there's Photo Room, there's Canva, there's Adobe, but all those apps, most of them are like not free. So right now CapCut is like a bit free. Yeah, I would say a bit free. So I actually use that to actually edit most times, sometimes, especially when I'm bored. I just want to try out some things. So yeah, so this is a CapCut series. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video, and you guys stay glued and watch the video to the end. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Guys, don't forget. So this is a CapCut series. So the first is you go to your CapCut, open the new project. Yeah, open your new project. So you can just take any random video. You can just take any random video. This is actually on how to edit videos, not pictures. So this is just how to edit videos. You can take a random video and click on it. It will ask you to add. So you add it. Then you go to your edit. There's like a scissor sign. So go to edit and you click on edit. When you click on edit, you go to adjust. Yeah, adjust. So when you get to adjust, you click on it. You click on filter. No, you click on adjust. Don't mind me, I'm sorry. So you click on adjust. You click on adjust, you go to your brightness. You increase your brightness a little bit to +6. Then you go to your contrast, you increase it to +6. You go to your saturation, increase to +6. You go to your brilliance, increase it to +15 because, of course, why not? Then you go to your sharpen. Now this is the tricky part actually. I know some people will be like, okay, sharpen it a bit more, sharpen it more, but why would you want to be looking like something that's not real? So we can just sharpen to like 15 or 20, but 20 is what I actually use to sharpen. So you can use sharpen to make your video a bit brighter, you know. And then you go to highlights, you click on highlights, you do -8. This is not going to be a plus sign again, it is a minus sign, -8 on the highlight. Then you move to your shadow, you do it -6. Then you go to, you can rewatch your videos just to be sure, to know if you're fine with that filter, if you're fine with the edit. I mean, if you're fine with the edit, then you can just go ahead to click on export. Don't touch any other thing on the export, just go to export and export it, and you will see it saving. Please, when it is saving, do not scroll back, do not take do not take it out of CapCut. Let it finish exporting before you can do or try to do whatever you want to do on your phone. And then if that is not enough for you, you can go to the filter. It is just beside the adjust and the video quality in CapCut. Then you click on movies and look for the filter called one day. Yeah, one day. You can look for the filter called one day, and when you click on one day, you're going to see that it's going to make your video too bright, too yellowish. So you can just go to that and adjust to your preference. I usually, if I want to use that, that's if I want to, but I rarely use it. But if I want to, I'll just adjust to like 10 or 15, so my videos don't look cocky and too unreal. So yeah, so that's it. Adjust your preference, and I hope this video is going to be useful for you and for your friends and for everybody. So I hope you guys learned something today, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a lovely day. Bye guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.